Hi everyone. I often hear my students getting confused with see, look and watch. They are all very similar, but when used wrongly, it can sound a bit strange. So today I'm going to show you how to use these three words correctly so you sound fluent, confident and just like a native speaker. If you find this helpful, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you press the link below, you can go to the lesson page for this video and have a practice using see, look and watch. The difference between see, look and watch is all about focus, or how much effort we make, how much we try. We use see just when an image comes into our eyes. We see all the time. I don't have to make any effort. Whenever our eyes are open, we see things. Right now, I can see a tree, a car, the table, the light, lots of things. When we look at something, we make an effort. We concentrate on it. So now I am looking at my computer. I can say, look out the window. It's snowing. With watch, we are making much more effort. We watch things that move or change. So you watch TV and you watch a movie. I can say, I like watching the birds in my garden. I don't just look at them, I watch them. I watch their actions, I watch the movements and the change. There are some exceptions with this, it's English. Like I said, we use watch with movies and TV, mostly when it's at home. If we go to a public performance, we usually use see. For example, have you seen Star Wars yet? Or I saw England play at Wembley last year, but I watched England play on the TV. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell button and leave a comment below. Are there any other words you find really confusing? Let me know and maybe I'll make a video about it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.